family and friends. Welcome to another episode. We are going to do a breakfast casserole. This casserole is something I usually do around the holiday season. It's real good whenever you're getting up during the holidays and you've got so much to do. And this just really helps to have this breakfast casserole ready to go. So we're going to start off with a pound of sausage. I'm just going to put it in my skillet and fry it up. And yes, my hands are clean. So we're just going to start off with frying up some sausage. Just going to mash it up to kind of break it up so it'll brown a little bit faster. Yeah. This casserole is delicious, isn't it?
Oh yeah, very good. Had lots of Christmases with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And it's very easy, very hearty.
Oh,
Has
yeah.
a lot of protein, good stuff like that.
Yeah. And it's easy to make too.
Yeah.
The only thing is about this is we're going to put it together, but we have to put it in the refrigerator and let it set overnight to let all the liquids absorb into the toast that we're going to put into it. So that's one thing about it. We're going to cook this sausage, then we'll put it together and put it in the refrigerator for overnight, and then we'll come back in the morning if I can get up, and then we'll put it in the oven and bake it for our breakfast. So we're going to let this sausage cook here for about, it'll take probably about 6 or 7 minutes here for me to get it good and brown. Then what I'm going to do is I will take it and drain it and put it over on a paper towel to get all the excess grease out of the sausage, and then we'll be back. Okay, my sausage has been cooked and cooled. Had it on this paper towel. We're taking out all the excess grease. We're going to put in, it calls for 8 to 10 eggs. I'm only going to put 8 because these are extra large eggs. So I'm only going to use 8 eggs. And we're just going to take a mixer and mix them up real quick a little bit. Okay, we've got the eggs beat up. I am going to add to it 1 teaspoon of dry mustard.
Dry mustard.
Yeah, ground dry mustard. That'll make it taste good. We're going to also put in 1 cup of milk. Okay. I'm going to take and add my sausage. And it calls for 6 slices of bread or toast. I use this size of bread, so instead of 6, I'm using 8 since they're not as big as just your regular breads. This is toasted, so I'm using 8 slices of the French bread.
French bread.
French bread's what I'm using today. Get all them crumbs off of the... Okay, we'll mix this up. Okay, and now we're going to add 1 pound of shredded cheese.
1 pound of shredded cheese.
1 pound of shredded cheese. I use the extra sharp shredded cheese. Good and cheesy.
Yeah.
Let's mix this up. Okay, I have sprayed a 9x13 pan, just lightly, but not much to it. And what we're going to do is take this, now that we've mixed it up, we're going to pour it into this pan. And like I said, we will let it set overnight. That way it absorbs, that toast absorbs all those juices.
Yep.
And makes it really tasty. So there we go. We're going to cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for the night, and we'll be back in the morning and put it in the oven and bake it. Okay, good morning, people. We have let this set in the refrigerator overnight. So this is what it's looking like, and it's soaked up, that toast has soaked up all those juices, so it ought to come together. Okay, I'm going to leave this covered. I've got my oven preheated at 350. I let this, when I came out of the refrigerator, I did let it sit up while my oven is getting warm. Since this is glass, I don't like to just take it from the refrigerator and put it right into a hot oven. So we're going to let this cook for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, our breakfast casserole is ready. It's been 30 minutes of cooking on 350. So rise and shine and let's have some breakfast. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! That's what it comes out to be.
Very tasty.
Yeah, this will be good. We'll let it cool a little bit because that cheese is pretty hot, so we'll let it cool. Now this is a breakfast that you could take to like an office Christmas party or a brunch breakfast, Sunday school brunch, rather than taking donuts all the time. This is a good breakfast.
Yeah, good breakfast for any occasion.
Yeah, we usually do it around the holidays because it's quick and easy. That way we can just snack a little bit and go. So that's what we like to do around Christmas time or Thanksgiving time. Anyway, I hope you try it and like it. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.
Thank you.